The biggest obstacles have been the humanitarian aid organizations themselves, which are supposedly delivering the recovery to the Haitian people. The Interim Haiti Recovery Commission, set up by former U.S. President Bill Clinton, which was supposed to channel $13 billion of international aid to Haiti. They built a sweatshop park and 2 luxury hotels. The rest of it was squandered and did not go to things like rebuilding Haitian agriculture and sanitation systems that the Haitians wanted. The primary thing Haiti needs is its sovereignty. Haiti has been either isolated and embargoed, shunned by the powerful nations of the world, or it has been occupied by those countries. Haitian sovereignty has been completely trampled. Haitians have not been able to have self-determination. We've seen this is how all great nations of the world arrive at greatness, because they have their destiny in their own hands.